In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Excel. If you want to make your worksheet more interactive, adding a checkbox is a simple and useful tool. Checkboxes are great for to-do lists, tracking progress, marking completed tasks, or creating forms inside Excel. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add one and how to adjust the label so it looks the way you want. To get started, go to the Developer tab at the top of Excel. This is where Excel keeps tools for forms and controls, including checkboxes. If you're following along and already see the Developer tab, you're ready for the next step. Once you're on the Developer tab, click Insert. This will open a menu that includes different types of controls you can place into your worksheet. Some are more advanced, but for this task, we'll use the basic checkbox option. Under Form Controls, click Checkbox. Be sure to choose the one under Form Controls, since that's the standard and easiest option for most worksheets. After you click it, your cursor will change, which means Excel is ready for you to place the checkbox. Now click anywhere in the worksheet to place the checkbox. You can put it next to a task, beside a label, or wherever it fits best in your spreadsheet layout. If the placement isn't perfect the first time, don't worry. You can always move it afterward by selecting it and dragging it into position. After the checkbox appears, you'll probably notice it comes with default text next to it. To remove that or replace it with your own wording, right-click the checkbox and select Edit Text. From there, you can delete the existing label completely or type something more useful, like a task name or status label. This helps keep your worksheet clean and easier to understand. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a checkbox in Excel. It's a quick feature, but it can make your spreadsheets much more functional and user-friendly. If you're adding multiple checkboxes, you can repeat the same process for each one and line them up neatly for a more organized look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel more confident working with checkboxes in Excel.